When we multiply fractions, we have a couple steps. First, you're going to multiply the numerators, so both numerators. The numerators. And then you're going to multiply the denominators. And numerators, we could say like that's the top, and this is the bottom. And once you've then multiplied them, you have a new numerator, a new denominator, and you are going to simplify. This next thing is not necessary, but it can make things a little easier. So reducing before multiplying can make things easier. And when I show you that, if that's confusing to you, don't do it. Just simplify at the end, okay? So when I look at example 1 here, I have, on the top, I have a 3 and a 1. So I multiply those. I just do 3 times 1. That equals?
420.
3.
Oh, 3. Sorry.
4 times 5 equals? 20. So I have 3/20. Does anything fit into 3 and 20?
No.
Other than 1? No. The only thing that fits in there is 3 or is 1. So this is our final answer. Okay. Example 2. I'm going to do this one twice. First, I'm going to do it just the way it is, and then we're going to reduce before doing it to show you how to do that. Multiply across the top. 8 times 3 is? 24. 9 times 10 is?
90. You can divide
90.
those by 3.
Does anything fit into both of those?
3.
Molly says 3 fits in there. How many times does 3 fit into 24?
8.
Gives me 8. Into 90?
30.
30. Does anything fit into 8 and 30?
2.
2 does. So divide by 2.
4, 15.
Divide by 2. Does anything fit into 4 and 15?
No.
Evenly? No, it does not. So there's our final answer. Okay, I'm going to do this the other way. So if you watch this and you go, this doesn't make sense to me, just do it what we just did. Okay. So I'm going to rewrite my problem. 8/9 times 3/10. I'm going to look at the top numbers and the bottom numbers. The 8 is an even number and 10 is an even number. So this 8 I can make a 4 because 2 fits into 8 4 times and 2 fits into 10 5 times. Then I look at the other numbers. Does anything work top and bottom?
3.
3 fits into 3 1 time and fits into 9 3 times. So my new fractions are 4/3 times 1/5. So 4 times 1 is 4. 3 times 5 is 15. So, all right. So again, I'm looking at the top numbers, the 8 and the 3. I'm going, does anything a common factor of 8 in one of the bottom numbers? 2 fits into 8 and it fits into 10. So it fits into 8 4 times, it fits into 10 5 times. So I changed those. Yep. And then this one, 3 fits into 3 and 3 fits into 9. So I made it 1 and 3. Now again, if that's confusing and you're not sure how to do that, feel free to try it, but maybe focus on this other way as well. All right? Or if you tried it this way and you check your answer and you got it wrong, and you keep getting them wrong doing it this way, then go back to the other way, okay? So reducing before saves the reducing after. All right? It is not going to give you a different answer, though.
Is it sometimes easier if you have bigger numbers?
When you have really big numbers, it makes it easier. Because like 24/90, like I had to do quite a few steps to get down to 4/15.
And sometimes maybe like you can't like times it 'cause it's confusing.
Yeah.
Want to get it down to smaller numbers?
Yep. All right, so here's a story problem that you might run across. Find the area of a field that's 1/4 mile wide and 2/3 miles long. And our area formula is area equals length times width. So I substitute my numbers in. We don't know the area. We're trying to figure that out. The length we know is 2/3. That's this guy. The width we know is 1/4.
Then you just have to do the normal times.
So you would just multiply these fractions. Now, before you do, look, does anything on the top, can we reduce anything on the bottom with it?
2.
You can do 2 and 4.
So 2 fits into 2 one time, and it fits into 4 2 times.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
So, again, you can reduce that. So 1 times 1 on the top is 1. 3 times 2 on the bottom is 6. We're done. Okay. So multiplying fractions. Multiply across the top, multiply across the bottom. Make sure you're simplified at the end. What questions do you have?
Can I take